A well-polished nail all begins with a nail polish. No. A well-polished nail all begins with a nail cleaner, your wool, then your nail polish, any color of your choice, and you also need some sticky material which is easy to remove, which you place around your nails. And of course you need your nails, your natural nails. I have a full video on how to grow natural nails 3-inch long, although mine is not long now because I cut it for this video. Just check out my channel for the full video on how to grow natural nails long. So the first thing you want to do is clean your nails real well with a nail cleaner. I also have a full video on how to design a natural nail polish on your nails, so you might also want to check that out on my channel. Now you get your sticky material and you want to place it around the edges of your nails so the polish does not affect it, and that's what I'll be doing now. I'm going to do just a quick test. Repeat the same process of applying the sticky material around the edges of your nails on all your nails before applying the nail polish. I was only doing a quick test. Wait, you haven't subscribed yet? Oh, you will? Oh, you just did? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Now it's time to apply your nail polish. You can do this as fast as you want or as slow as you want. All that matters is the edges of your hands won't get stains. That's all. Now you want to dry your nails, which could be really messy and annoying, but I have a full complete video guide on how to dry your natural nails, all your nail polish real fast. So all you have to do is stick to the end of this video or check out my channel for the complete video guide on how to dry your natural nails fast. Link could be in the end card or in the iCard or down, and it's being down in the description, so just check out the description, get the video. I just dried the nails. Now it's time to see the end result of our manicure. Yeah, I'm scared. This is just so good. I really like it. It's dry and there are no stains at the edges of my nails. Everything is smooth. So you just got rid of all the stress repeating nail polish, and it's not staying my backdrop. So if you want to know how I dried my nails in 1 minute, check my channel. This is not an acrylic nail polish, but the procedure works on every kind of polish. This is so good. This is so perfect. I like it, and don't forget to subscribe. You promised you were going to subscribe, okay? Okay, just enjoy the nails. Bye. Wait. Just enjoy the nails.